Hello guys, today is theory day. I am going to discuss a small topic, angle of pull. Okay, what is angle of pull? And the main thing is we have range of motion for every exercises. Okay, like if we are doing biceps curl, we have a angle which is very important. So we will discuss today what is that angle which is more important in your training. Okay, all angles, all joint range of motion is not important, but that angle is very important. Okay, so be in this video till last. So angle of pull is the angle of muscles attachment, angle of the muscles attachment relative to the bone. So मसल का अटैचमेंट जो बॉन के साथ जो एंगल बनाता है वो एंगल ऑफ पुल कहलाता है. सो रिमेंबर दिस टेक्निकल टर्म. ओके, इन सिंपल लाइन, in a one line, that angle of pull is the angle of muscles attachment relative to the bone. Okay, let's take an example. Which angle is very important in training? Okay, where you recruit your muscles very much. Okay, you develop your muscle very much. Let's take an example to understand this. Okay, let's suppose I am doing dumbbell curl. Okay, here I have dumbbell, I am doing dumbbell curl like this. Okay, so I have different angles. Here we have angle. Okay, the angle is increasing 45, 90, then lastly I have 180 degree angle. Okay, but which angle is important? Which angle recruit your muscles more? Okay, which angle is effective to develop your muscle? I will discuss, I will tell you. So when your forearm is creating 90 degree angle with the dumbbell, okay, that angle is most important. Here is 0 degree, here it is 90 degree, and here it is 180 degree. All the angles except 90 degree are not important. Okay, so 90 degree is important. Okay, what is 90 degree here? So here it is dumbbell. Okay, dumbbell is creating force below, so gravity is the force. Okay, and forearm is the, we can say, bar. Okay, so the forearm is making 90 degree angle with this gravity force. So this angle is important. You can apply this concept in every exercise, in every movement. Okay, so we can say in summary, when you're moving limb, our moving here moving limb is forearm. Okay, so when your moving limb is 90 degree with the dumbbell or with any force. Okay, so that angle is important in your training. Okay, that angle is the angle where you recruit your muscles more. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet again in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, love you all, be victorious.